In this quiz cum exercise lesson, first you will take a quiz. This will help you test your knowledge of this very important technique, and then I'll go through the details of a hands-on exercise that will give you practical experience with developing prompts with few-shot technique. Let's start with the quiz. Pause the video if you need more time. First question: what is the order of magnitude of data needed for few-shot techniques? If you selected tens of words to a few kilobytes, then you are right. You need a few MB of data for fine-tuning and hundreds of gigabytes to terabytes of data for pre-training. Next question: few-shot technique can be used for all scenarios and tasks. True or false? The answer is false. Few-shot technique doesn't work well for tasks involving mathematics, logic, and reasoning. Next question: few shots in the prompt imparts blank knowledge to the model. Select all that are applicable. Temporary knowledge, which is also referred to as non-parametric knowledge. Few shots is an in-context learning technique that does not change the weight of the parameters in the model. Next, I'll provide you an overview of the exercise. The details are available in the GenAI Guide, Prompt Engineering section, exercise number 2. Your objective in this exercise is to use few-shot prompting for named entity recognition task. You will be using the Cohere Playground with the command line model. I've already provided you the prompts. You need to go through each of the prompt, understand how it is structured, and with every step, what challenges or issues observed in the last step are getting addressed. If you are thinking whether you can use a different model or not, yes, you can use another model, but be aware every model is different. The prompts that I have provided may or may not provide you the desired results. So keep that in mind. I encourage you to experiment with the prompts. That is, change them and see if you can yield better results. Once I walk you through the exercise details, please pause the video and try out the exercise on your own by going through the details in the course guide. In this exercise, your objective is to iteratively develop a few short prompt to carry out named entity recognition task. The output JSON should look like this, and you will be using the Cohere command line model for this task. The way you will work it out is you'll go to the Cohere Playground, select the command line model, change the randomness of the model to 0.5 or below. This is where you're going to place the input, your prompt, and click on the run to see the results in the output window. The prompts are already provided. As you go through the exercise, check out the examples that we are building on in multiple steps. At the end of the third step here, the model will provide you the desired output. For extra bonus, you need to carry out improvements to the prompt. So I've given some examples here that you can try out, and if you find any issues, you need to fix those issues. So all the best, go ahead and try it out. I've opened the Cohere Playground, select the command line model, change the randomness to under 0.5, and now we are ready to proceed with the exercise. The first thing we need to do is pick up the first prompt from here and just paste it in the input, run it, and here is the output. Now I won't go through this output here as it'll be easier for me to just walk you through the output here. So what I would like you to do is take a look at the response and make some observations. I've already listed the observations here. For example, when you run the first prompt, you will see that New Jersey is missed out as a state and it's not here in this response. The word United, which refers to the airlines, is identified as a place. So, and these are the kind of things that you need to look out for and address. So now with one shot, we are providing one example. I'm going to just copy this and paste it here to show you the improvement, run it, and we received the response. And as you can see here, with this one short prompt, we were able to fix the problem with airlines misidentified as place. And then we were also able to get the model to identify New Jersey as a place. So at this point, if you haven't gone through the exercise on your own, suggest that you try it out by going through the instructions provided here in this course guide.